Alright guys, bless up. You know, a new day. Yeah, you're back on it again. Yeah, all the progress make, you know. All the progress make, you know. I buy the right amount. You get me, I say? Yeah, sometimes when you go to them tile place, if you know measurement, sometimes you have to check the tile yourself and buy according to the quantity where you know. Because after I literally measure the tile in the store and check it, I can get the right amount. Because oftentimes what happens is, if you just give them a square footage, them when you realize they might sell you way more than the amount you want. I don't know if you deliberate or them not calculate properly or what, but sometimes that is what happens. So I go through and get a tile, check it myself, and buy the quantity according to the square footage I have. I realize the quantity what the brethren give me different. You know, Errol?
Yeah, I know.
About 12 more.
A regular man.
Yeah, about 12 more I end up with it, which I roughly $1,000 one for them tile, you know. You understand? So I end up with, I spend around $12,000 more than what I'm supposed to spend on tile. You see me? Yeah. Thing need a full of style, you know, because the cardboard where you cut and I put in between them.
Yeah, man.
No style, I'm not see them doing something, yeah?
Yeah, because one thing look uniform,
yeah.
Yeah, professional thing where I deal. Can't deal with short and thing.
That's true, man. He's right.
But tired bird, huh?
Yes, man.
You say you can't drop off a wall.
Right. So the style where you used to put the little this upon the tile, them days are done.
No, different thing from us here.
Even porcelain, even when you do the porcelain, it's still butter it completely.
Yeah, different thing. It's a mesh, you know? Yeah.
But you do like ceramic tile, they still do it that.
Because when you squeeze it, it does even out.
Yeah, it's spread out.
It's spread out, you know. But you can't do it this the way here.
Yeah.
Because some big lump are going to squeeze out, you know. You have to do it flat like this. Can I do it to carry it up first, you know?
Yes.
And press it down. Run come down by the time ready for run come down now.
Yeah.
Thing was set.
Thing look good. There's some customers who can see the work and show all them tile to same way.
Show them tile the same way.
Yeah, man, because a lot of persons on the old channel, you know, them active in a construction, you know, like them a build them house.
Welcome guys, this video is brought to you by ANCHERR. Asia and I wanted to get fit this year, want to go to the gym, want to become active, but going to the gym can be difficult at times. So ANCHERR contacted us and wanted us to try out their walking treadmill. So this treadmill has a Bluetooth control app. It also has speeds moving from 0.5 to 3.9 mph, and you can also use it when you're working at your work desk or watching your TV. It's supposed to be versatile. So we're gonna try it out today to see how versatile it is. Stay tuned.
Alrighty. Yeah.
You guys know that Adrian is an unboxing guy.
Ooh. All right.
One of the features of this product is, as I see it, like it's a space saver. It's really good to just tuck underneath something, underneath your work table, underneath your chair, underneath your bed. So it's easy to store away. Good.
Has a remote. All right. It comes in an oil bottle to lubricate, plus like a screwdriver and Allen key. I'm sure you probably need these two to tighten or whatever.
So one of the features as well is that it has low energy consumption and a brushless motor. Alright?
Alrighty. Woo. This way. Just like this. Ooh.
Ooh.
Yeah. Ooh. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright.
Let's power up. Plugged in. Turn on the switch. We've got power. Yep. So this is the remote that comes with it. On the display screen, we also have time, distance, calories, and the speed.
Alrighty, so we can adjust the speed. It's paused right now, so resume it, right? It counts down, so it starts. You can speed it up. You can go to a maximum of
3.9.
3.9, that's kilometers per hour.
Yeah.
Alright, and you can preset the distance, the amount of time you want it to run for, and all of that via this remote or via the app. It has wheels up to the front that you can easily adjust its positioning. You can slide it around your home very easily. Alright, so I go on, it counts down, and I'm ready. Alright.
Let's go.
Speeds up. Alright, here we go. Yes.
So this treadmill is perfect for working at home. You're working and you still want to get your exercise in. It's perfect. A nice little stroll. You can preset your distance and time and get your work done at the same time. You can also change this location so easy. You can carry it outside so you can see the sunset. You can have it in the backyard while the kids are playing. If you are interested in this video, go and check out the discount code in the description box below. All right, click on that link and get exercising.
And then we're there, you know, so enough little things they say, you know, they learn from us, you know. Yeah, man. So at the end of the day, you know, community strengthens them we're there.
Yeah, so watch a trick now, you just do it the way
Yeah.
So ain't nobody tight now, it just space out.
Yes. Big up with patrons, you know, Delbert family patrons. Also the channel members. You know what I mean? Say hi Jaden. Yeah man. Oh, we are much, watch ya. We are much. You follow me? Yeah, eh? What you say?
I just take out the shirt out and draw.
I just the energy, you know? I just the energy. Yeah man, so big up with patrons, big up with channel members, you know? You know, you can become a channel member, guys. You know, take advantage of the perks, them, the super tanks, super stickers. You know, this will be a premiere video as well. So, you know, while the premiere run, you can utilize the different stickers and super tanks and so on and drop them in the chat. You know what I mean? Yes, man. Yeah. Also important to note as well, as I say, if you don't want, you know, get on with your Airbnb hosting journey, you know, you can always, you know, jump in at the description, the video description if you know having a place almost set up and ready for Airbnb. The link will be in the description. You can get signed up, you know, to become an Airbnb host. Yeah, and if you don't want additional help, don't hesitate to reach out to us, you know, on Instagram, and we can talk some more. Also, join our Patreon top tier, you know, for tips and, you know, hosting, you know. Yeah, man. Alrighty, so what happening now is the screws for the plugs, for these plugs. Right, before then they shorter, I have to change them so to some longer ones. So now I'm got the audio right now to get some.
And
Oh again.
the drill bit.
The drill bit. Oh yeah, the glass. Oh yeah, what tile or glass? Glass drill bit. Alright, I'll grab that. Yeah. Give me one more screw, because one you give me, I can't find it.
Alright, let's screw out one of them.
Alright. Yeah, so yeah, channel true value now. The rapid true value. I get some of these screws, some longer ones of course. And bit as well to bore the tile because I want to install back the over the range. You know, the fuel mode, so I have to bore that. Yeah. Yeah man, that's the one here. Yeah. This side. So I want to double the length of what we have here, so. No, come on. That's a fine screw it, man.
Just want to make sure it's in a
Yeah,
hitch, you know?
yeah. Because I know like sometimes it's screw at the tip, but it can't go all the way in if I'm not the right. Yeah, threading. Yeah. Alright, no problem.
See, I said that.
Oh no, I don't want to sit. I just want one.
Make it this big, you do.
Oh. I'll work with that one now. I'll work with that one now. Yeah man, respect.
Before this man, greetings, you know?
Yeah.
Eat it day and night.
Sunday dinner, you know?
On the dinner,
Yeah, I know it go.
shot.
Yep. Bring in some juice to set with. Is it? Come on, guys, put our foot in that one now.
That go on, man.
Good.
Go on, man.
A little break. Got harder, get to stop them, come back. You know, the tiling almost finished now. Just the grouting leave, and a little cleaning up. Basically that. Yep. Yep. Yeah.
Alright, bad man.
Yeah. Color look right, you know, overdone.
Yeah. Two pack this man. 5 bills.
Then get the jersey,
One of them I cut up. I
And-
cut up one I buy
and
them.
you get less.
Yes, yes.
The bag smaller, car. But buy 2 bunga color loot, you know. Little bit. Just couple stock you get. Bunga marker for $200.
2 bills.
Drug thing.
Brother, come sell it out. I saw no daytime, but you will not come. I hunt it this
You will
morning.
hunt it, yeah.
Little bit I get, man. 3 months kind of enough is still. Come in a couple day out time.
You remember you used to ride on the bicycle, they can talk. You used to ride on the bicycle coming and scheme.
One big man. Over 6 with me.
Okay.
Some of them call link me.
Yeah. You used to have my own and come to regular war 17 to 2. Grains man, you know?
I 7 needs to buy this morning.
Oh,
The 2 this morning.
okay. Yeah.
3 months liquor.
Now, green man can't ride through all them places, yeah. That's the one thing I miss. Because they just they home, for all Sunday.
Sunday.
They just hear, call hello man.
Yeah.
They just say, hold on there, shout him. They grab 2 bungalow, call hello, you know?
Yeah. Nothing wrong with the liquor leniency, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, call man. But can't fight a man policy. start printing.
No. Alright, so finish with the tiling, you know. So we are grout now. These are the markings that we're going to drill the hole them so we can install what they over the range hood. Yeah, man. And we'll finish, we're going to put back the covers on. Yeah, man, we're there on the way, man. Yeah, and stay tuned, guys. I'll change the sink here too. Yeah, man, stay tuned. When this done grout and then clean up, pretty, man, just stay tuned, Just stay tuned for the grand reveal, alright? Yes, man.
Alright, mommy, just clean up, please. One people.
Mommy, wait.
Say good morning, Krie.
Good morning, Terry.
It's morning time. We are up and we are doing Krie's homework. We're on a marathon of homework, okay? Krie doesn't want to do his homework anymore. I don't know what's going on. But from last year, the ending of last year, we know I did homework. Is it Spider-Man? Yes, this is Spider-Man. You know I did homework.
Hi, Mom.
And I have found that he has a lot of homework in his book that hasn't been done. I'm just on a marathon to finish them. I'm gonna do all them, and he's on the last page of it.
Mommy, help me.
Let this speak now.
Tell Terry.
It is scary.
Tell Terry.
Alright, color this speak now.
Tell
it.
Terry.
Oh boy. I have a lot of stuff to do after comb is here, but I want them to do at least 2 pages of homework, probably 3. Alright, see this one? Put on this happy face. Good job. Put on this happy face now. Look at this happy face. Look at this one. Come look. Look at this happy face. Put on this happy face right there.
The ugly bit on me.
Yes, it sticks onto your hands. Good job.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Wait, 9?
9.
9. This is 9. So
9.
what comes after 9?
9.
10.
10.
What color paint do you want to use now?
White.
White?
I
Alright.
want to do all white.
But the hand is already white. So what other color do you want to use? Choose another
Purple.
color. Purple? This is blue.
Blue.
Blue. You can make purple if you use blue and red, you can make purple. Do you want to?
Yes.
Alright, mix it around now. Wait, okay, you have to be careful. Okay, be careful.
Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
let me purple.
Yes, we're gonna make purple. Be careful.
Wow, look at this blue and red on my finger.
Here you go. You can wipe it off. The purple to paint the hand now. Mm-hmm. Good job.
A purple painting.
Yes. Brush it. Good job. Good job. Guys, he doesn't like to use crayon to color, but he loves to do everything else. He would paint, he would paste, he will stick, he would do everything else. Can you call the thumb? Paint the thumb. Sorry, I keep on saying color. Paint the
That's
thumb.
my
put some-
thumb.
I'm so sorry. I grabbed your thumb. I'm sorry. Here you go.
Yeah.
Can you paint this white section right here? This white section right there. Good. Paint all over my mirror.
Sink. The sink is full. This will be a lake for the boat.
Ready, Kai?
Let the boat go.
This is our starting point. This is what it looks like. My issue with it just being bare like this is the wires that are hanging down. But initially, we tried to tape them up, as you can see right there. But that now work because the wires them too heavy and stubborn. So what we now need to do is to find a new way to tape up the wires underneath the bottom so it's not dropping or hanging down like that. That is a sore point, and just to make that area look a lot better. So that's my task also, as well as to decorate the top. I have these 3 decor pieces that I carried up here. One is the gold mirror tray right there. Then I have 2 white pieces. I love this. Simple but nice. I really love it. So I have my trays here. I'll clean the tray, don't worry. Tray will be clean. But I'm thinking that I could do something like that, but then I'm going to need additional pieces to put on top of the tray, and then I could put the plants like right here. Adrian was saying that because the plant is right there, when persons come in, when persons are entering the house, then probably I enter with big bag and then probably brush it off when they're walking, which is definitely a possibility. Another thing is I could put it right here, but I'm still gonna need 2 more stuff to go right here. Doing the chunking in this area.
Yeah, never see crap.
So I was telling them to excuse all the stuff here because the place not clean up yet. But this is what was done. What are you guys thinking? What's your thought on it? You know, what's your thought on it? And being the nifty men that they were, they installed this already. So Adrian and Errol got this installed. So we have a new sink. I'm gonna clear out the sink. I'm sorry, my mind just starts like, why is stuff in the sink? Like, you know, there, you see it there. Yep, it works, functional. Yeah, man. So they installed battery food today, and he's just adding a little piece of the chunking onto the top side up there.
And down here, so let them get lost in the people are rubbish. What if rubbish in here? So things get mixed up. I don't know if when clean, I don't know what point, but them get disappear.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, chunking going back in that little place right there as well. I was telling Adrian that this wall is something that I want to do something with this wall as well. Let me know in the comment section, right? As you enter the room again, please forgive us for the table. But when you enter the room and you look at the kitchen, at this direction it's fine. But when you enter like this, right there, so that's look very bare. And we have to do something about it.
So it's where the wire pass. Like right here, the side, so the wire come out
Oh, okay.
to the side.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So, yeah. So you see that? Like that. Let's put this on top of it now. Like so. Yeah, look good.
Okay.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, man, it look good.
Let me see.
Look good.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Oh, watch out. See that?
After you go to the order and come back, right?
Right. Anyway, we still need people down there, so yeah. Yeah, we can pick up the rest. Yeah, final touch. Just touch back here, so little part them, you know. Yeah. While with this, oh, let me touch this. Let me touch that. Yeah. Right. Yeah, early the thing neat in there. They have not much space to touch out.
Yeah.
Oh, the two side.
Two side out so.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to always have a handy, you know?
And the what? And the man?
Yeah, you have to always have a handyman, but you have to always have some paint handy.
Oh, that you talk about?
So you can
have some
touch
paint
out.
available.
Yeah.
Mm.
So if anything, you can do some touching out.
Yep. Yep.
There we go.
Yep.
See it?
Come on. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, eat that. Nothing else I needed.
Just to rearrange the furniture and clear out and clean up. Here's the cover.
Come on. Yeah. Looking good, innit?
Get them ready.
Yeah. Come on.
Show them how we do.
Yeah. Looking good. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Right there, so where the buttons are.
It's all clean, you know.
Like a midnight
So-
ride.
I probably need
Bye,
soap.
bye. Yeah, it's cleaning off, it's cleaning off, it's cleaning off. I still love this. I still love this favorite. Very nice. It looks so nice and elegant on the wall.
Yeah.
Definitely, definitely.
Yep.
I look her.
Thumbnail?
Thumbnail pic.
Ooh. Well, not there. Thumbnail look nice. It look good. Yeah, my peeps. So, finished product for now. Remember, this will be, you know, a constant work in progress.
Yes, yes,
You know what I
yes.
say?
Put the stove there so that them can see the full look at. When the stove is there, it's gorgeous. Gorgeous.
Alright, we'll put it in the stove.
Put it in the stove. Moving around, it's moving around.
Fire. You never know what should they do me. Stop it, man.
He's
Never tell
connecting the
them.
wires.
Never tell them.
Yeah, so how you guys like it? I like it. I love it. I love it. There we go. Alright, sir. Up and move so that they can see the full picture. Yeah. Looky, looky. I like it. Gorgeous. Just gorgeous.
A lot of shadows. Yeah.
Gorgeous. Yeah, so we're gonna get cracking and getting this place clean. And our guest is coming very soon, so we're doing like some here. We only sometimes have like a.
Sorry. Yeah, more like 2 days, 2-3 days, I will just close out.
Yeah.
I will just hit
Try
it
and
hard.
get some stuff done.
Yeah, man.
And prepared again for the guests. Same thing where we do this right here, this wall right here. So yeah, we'll just take a little time, take a little 2 days, get something done. Give me the mic, please. Take a little 2 days, get something done, and then boom. When they come, they see something different. Alright? But different in a good way, not different in a bad way.
Yeah.
Alright? And then we update our pictures, you have to update the pictures, guys.
Alright guys, walk one. There one more day. Oh, are you alone? Yeah guys, so the cement delivery just forward again. We just buy some more cement, you know. Yeah, we reach a good way now. Reach a good way with the thing, you know. So right here, so now level up. Then build it come down as you can see. Level with the door. Door and window up on one level now. Alright. Out here, so render right around the building. Right around the building. You know. Liquid and June that they upon it. You know. Yep. Yeah, man. Yeah, so pass cantilever. Deal with nice. Yeah, we run out of some cement, so we just getting back some more. I'll take a little time. Try to finish up. Make it look good, you know. See all the back here, so. Sure you can remember what it was like before. This will have some only for belly and them thing. All of that. Straighten up. Looking a lot better. Yeah. Come on, see it there. Electrician them they are work the same way. Straighten up. Yeah. See here, so. Turn out. Some of us realized too. Some of the pipes that were there before they were blocked. So we have to actually dig new trench. We have to actually like dig new trench. You get the thing, everything connect up. So like this for example, we have to dig go out. Up and out, you know? Just like that. You want to see over here, so? Render up, looking good. Alright. Yeah, man. Yeah, so, up our way. In another passage here as well, we have plugs and the switches. Them sort out. The door. Top of the door render up. Same for right here, so too. Yeah, man. Oh, yeah. Yeah, man. Alright, so I run out now. Just basically come, make sure so them have the material, you know, just look around, you know, give them any additional pointers or anything when we see whatnot. So now I move out, guys. So yeah, man, stay tuned.